how to convert anki deck into Obsidian space repetition plugin markdown. So we can use Obsidian as basically anki, but we have to convert first we have to convert a deck. You can see I have my decks into a PKG file. In order to do this, I can export, select file, export. Then here I will select anki deck, so it's single deck, not like all decks. I want this jokes deck. I will include scale information, include deck presets, include media, and support. I will check support older anki versions. This is important. You have to check it if you want to convert it into Obsidian. I click export. It's asking me for location, name, and name of the file. You can see I have a jokes apkg. Let's save jokes, it's fine. Save, and it saves 200 nodes. Okay, then I'll download and install converter from this website. I will link on site into the description. To find converter, I'll click on section type anki to Obsidian, click apkg to Obsidian, click on download, and wait until archive will be downloaded to my computer. Click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher is Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start the installation, and click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have a new application installed on my computer, apkg to Obsidian, and new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch it. Now conversion is 3 steps process. I have to select file first. I'll click on this button to select file. I will select my jokes, click on next step. Here I have to select conversion options. So conversion options we need for Obsidian is slightly different. What I need for I don't need header. I need question as this for space repetition, then double question mark, and then answer. And this is how it will be created. So first double hash, then question. I think I don't need double quotes, then double question mark, and then answer. And click on next step. On final step I can preview. What is my favorite music? Hip hop. Okay, and do I really want to have, okay, that's fine. And I save result. It's asking me for name and location of my Obsidian vault. So I have Obsidian demo vault, it's in demo. So I will save apkg to Obsidian. Let's call it jokes. And click save. Now we created Obsidian file. Now if you don't have it yet, you have to have Obsidian plugin. So for that I will go to community plugins, and you have to click community plugins. I will show you how it will be before. Only if you installed, you will have this turn on community plugins. Then you have to click on, then they will become available. Then you quickly browse, and we need space repetition, and we will install it. Community plugin installed, we enable it, and now if I go to jokes, I can flashcards. There is no more flashcards because I have to add tag, like add flashcards tag. This is requirements. Flashcards jokes. Can I do that? I don't know. Let's try. Okay, and now we have 340 jokes. Why don't dogs make a good dancer? Yeah, I don't know. Because they have 2 left feet. Okay, kind of hard, right? What language does a billboard speak? Sign language. Okay, that was a good one. What do you give a sick lemon? Lemonade. Why it's showing? Okay, I don't know why it's showing, but it shouldn't show. Okay, now it's not showing. What do you call a man with no body and just a nose? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. He couldn't concentrate. Okay. Alright, so we have it here, we can run space repetition there, but it's showing answer. Is it somewhere in settings to not show the answer? Let's check it. Space repetition, let's go to options. Flashcards. Convert text object. Okay, text to ignore, folders to ignore. Flashcard will be received the next day. Order card in deck display during review randomly within a deck. Flashcard separator. Okay, so this is important. Flashcard separator. This is for multiple flashcard separator. Separator for multiple reverse clerk. Okay, so this is what we did, right? But it's multiple separator, right? Let me check. Multi-line flashcards. Yeah, I think it's just something wrong happened with like answer has a question in it. Something wrong with exporting deck. Okay, let's try to convert another one. Let's delete this one. And let's try to convert another one. We select documents and we select then we have question with a space, then I maybe missed space or something, then we have double for multi-line answer, and we have answer, and we have enter here. Let's try this format. Okay, so we save to Obsidian demo. Okay. We don't have tags here yet. Let's add tag on the top. Okay, now it's showing correctly. What do you call a cat who's joining the Red Cross? Okay, I don't know. First aid kit. Good one. Let me get wetter and wetter more it dries. A bath towel. I tried to grab a fork, but I missed. Okay, so yeah, we got the tricky part is here is to specify correct options here, correct body. So I will post this body into comments under this. If you will be able to create cards with different body, please add it to the comments to this video as well. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted entire PKG. We have 170 flashcards, and yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.